This is That Statman, and welcome.
The EPH Controls wireless cylinder thermostat and receiver, the RFCP. We've seen what's come in the box, we've wired her up onto the test board, and we're ready to show you how it works. We have my probe in a glass of hot water, which is currently 67.5 degrees in temperature. The current setting for our hot water temperature is 60, which we have confirmed. So basically our hot water is hot, there's no demand, nothing else is going to happen until the hot water cools down. Now I'm going to demonstrate this by adding colder water into here, which then the thermostat will drop down, and if it drops below 60, then our green light should come on here. Our live will go to the brown of the 2-port zone valve or the 3 ports. Yep, there we go, 48 degrees. Now, obviously that's now colder than 60 degrees that we've set it for, so we've used all the hot water up in the cylinder. The programmer is going to have hot water to set to on, so when the hot water does drop in temperature, the boiler will kick in. There we go. The light has come on, activated. Wasn't too long, probably less than a minute. And now the hot water will be heating up again. And pretty much we wanted to set the water lower than what we've got at the minute. Just show you that it will switch off. It's currently 47 degrees, and if we set it to 52 and confirm, it comes back on again. You can lock this temperature setting to stop people accidentally brushing past it and holding on to it or whatever. Press the button and hold it in, and you'll see a little padlock appear on the display there, and then you can't change the temperature at all. It's set for 60, nothing will happen until the water reaches temperature or drops in temperature. I'll just turn that one back off again, like so, and now we can change the temperatures again. Now say for instance the batteries have died in this device and we can't do anything whatsoever, so we now have no display on there, no display, and obviously then we're going to have no hot water. You've come home, you've realised the batteries have gone flat, you haven't got any batteries in the drawer, you need a shower, you're going out, simple override like that, and your hot water will come on and switch it off, manually override again. Obviously you will not have a cylinder thermostat, as this is your thermostat now, and your boiler will heat the cylinder probably to a tad below what your flow temperature is on your boiler. So please remember, if that is used to override, only use it temporarily, and remember to switch it off. If you don't, you'll have very, very, very hot water, which you don't want. That pretty much sums up the RFCP. It's a wireless thermostat for your cylinder. Nothing else to it. This cannot be used with the Ember app. That is the only thing I must say. This is purely for you haven't got enough wires to create the cylinder stat control back to your wiring center. You can use this instead. Put this near the cylinder. This meat cable here is 1950 millimeters long. The end of the probe is roughly 25 millimeters. You could also use it as a pipe stat. You could tape it to a pipe. As long as you had it fairly tight with the silver tape on there, you could use it as a pipe stat. to control the opening of a pump or a zone valve or something like that, or for a pump overrun system, if you wanted pump overrun, you could set that to 55 degrees, something like that, and allow the pump to continue running until the pipe cooled down. Very clever little system. Again, you cannot use it on the Ember app. If you want to use hot water control on the Ember app, then you would need to go for the CP4HW option, which would then allow you to use the app and control your hot water. This is for a more basic system without the use of internet control. This is the end of this little short video. I am That Statman. If you like, please subscribe, please share. If you want to see any more videos, let me know. Let's see what we can do. Thank you very much.